In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a card to a different board in Trello. If you're looking to streamline your workflow or ensure that important tasks don't get lost amidst the chaos, this tutorial is exactly what you need. So let's get started by heading over to trello.com. Here, you'll be able to organize your work, projects, or personal tasks in a way that's both visually pleasing and practical. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll notice an option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be given the choice to log in with your email or through your Google account. Choose whichever method works best for you and proceed to access your Trello workspace. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your boards. These boards are essentially like digital whiteboards filled with lists and cards that help manage your tasks. Look for the section labeled Your Workspaces. This area is where all your active boards are housed. Click on the board that contains the card you want to copy. Now that you're in the board, take a moment to scan through your lists and cards. Navigate through your tasks by selecting the card you'd like to move to a different board. Clicking on the card will open a detailed view where you can see all the information associated with it. Here you'll see a variety of options, but what we're focusing on today is copying the card. So click on the copy option. Next, a new window will pop up, offering you a variety of choices to customize your copied card. At the top of this window, you'll find a drop-down menu for board. Click this drop-down to reveal all the boards you have access to. Look through the list and select the board where you want this card to be copied. Following that, you'll need to decide which list on the new board you want this card to be in. Once you click on the list drop-down, you'll see all the available lists on the selected board. Choose the one that best fits the content or purpose of your card. After ensuring everything is set as you want it, go ahead and click on Create Card. Congratulations, you've successfully copied your card to the new board and list. Feel free to close the options menu once you've completed this task. And there you have it. Moving a card across your Trello boards is a simple yet powerful tool in maintaining an organized workflow. Thank you for following along, and I hope this makes your Trello experience even smoother and more efficient. Remember, organization is key, and with Trello, your organizational capabilities just expanded.